We will begin creating in our Canvas sandbox. First, you need to customize your Canvas homepage. As you can see, we have created a ready-to-go homepage. Click the pencil icon in the top right corner to open the Rich Content Editor to edit this content. You can choose to use this content and simply add your name as well as your course title. Complete the teacher information elements in the table provided. We have updated all the links for each of the buttons contained in this homepage. Then click the Update Page button to save. Once this information is complete, you need to make sure your homepage is set by clicking the Choose Homepage button. Notice the template has the syllabus page set as the home page. Note, if you go to Modules, you will see a module for Canvas resources with a link to a helpful document, Customize Your Canvas Homepage. It has many links to resources you might find helpful. If you'd like to modify this content, feel free to do so. You just need to make sure you include all of the information listed at the bottom of the home page. And that is all there is to setting up your Canvas course homepage.